Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you a setup which I have done for watering the front garden area. This setup is very interesting and useful, and if you like it you can easily replicate at your home. So let's start. So first I will show you the setup and then I will explain you the technicalities. So this is a setup. You can see one horizontal pipe. This is a CPVC 1-inch pipe installed almost 1 feet above the ground with the clamps, plastic clamps. And there is a ball wall, blue color. So from there we can operate, and this pipe, the running pipe, is having holes for water. So let us open the wall and let's see how it works. Okay, now let me explain you how to implement it. You can see this one. So this is the pipe which is input to my home. Okay, it was already there, so it's coming from the ground, and then this is the pipe. Okay, from here I have taken this extension. Okay, and this goes to the wall. So wall was installed at a height which is easy to operate from the inside, and the output of the wall goes to the setup. Okay, so this is a complete setup. You can see that's a dead end, so there is a dummy cap installed, and there are holes at almost 3 feet distance or 2.5 feet distance. So for doing this hole, so you can use a solder iron like this. So this is a solder iron which I used. You have to heat it and then do a hole from one side, and you should do the hole at about 45-degree angle. This depends on the size of the garden that you have. So from the wall, right now it is at almost at 45-degree, which makes the water fall almost at the middle of the ground. Okay, it depends on the size of the ground. If you have a bigger ground, then you can make hole at 60-degree or 70-degree from the wall. Okay, you don't have to be very accurate, just make a guess, and you can do these holes, as many holes as you want. And one suggestion is, you don't have to target the tree or the plant directly, because their roots are spread at a wider area. So you can try to cover the holes evenly, and it will take care of the whole garden. And for making this hole, you have to use a solder iron. So this is my solder iron. This is from the company Siren, which is the best and the oldest company in solder manufacturing. I'll put the link of this solder iron in the description. You can explore this product. And for the plumbing work, if you know a little bit of plumbing, you can do it on your own. Otherwise you can take the help from any plumber. It's a very easy setup. It won't take much time to implement. Let me show you the other side also. So here also you can notice the same setup. So in my opinion, it's a very nice setup, and once you do that, your walls will remain safe because water will not fall on the walls. So this is a very neat and clean and easy to use approach, and with this anybody in the home without spending much time can do the watering. That's it for this video. If you like the content, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.